Just to add up to the SAT question, that a lot of students might not have performed well in SAT and could do exceptionally well in the Ashoka aptitude test.
Okay.
So we consider either of whatever their performances look like. Also, just to have an idea for everyone right here on the call, the sample paper for the last 3 years of the Ashoka aptitude test are on the website. So you can always go and refer in case a student wants to prep for the aptitude test.
And you said that 25 acres has been added. Just wanted to know any other facilities have been added?
So basically, ma'am, there are new set of residence halls which are active right now in the new section that another 25 acres have been added. So now we have all the third and fourth year students who have been shifted to the new campus, and the new ones are accommodated in the old campus right now. Triveni School of Biosciences, which was under construction till the last year, July, and now that is also live on the new campus. So in terms of facility now, for specifically for the sciences and the biosciences, there's an entire building which has research labs and everything. So that school has also been launched now.
There was supposed to be a school of business also to come up. Is that?
That is still under process. That's also on the new campus, the new extension of the campus, but that hasn't been started yet.
My son attended the Young Scholars program.
Oh.
So just wanted to know if that has any sort of bearing on the admission process.
Yes, I mean, that's not a necessary thing again. But in the application form, we ask that in case you have opted in for a YSP or maybe a Lodha Genius program at Ashoka. So they can always go ahead and select that specific section. And of course, their certificates as well. And I'm not necessarily saying, because a lot depends on the application, the aptitude, the essays, and everything. But yes, there's some specific thing that we can look at, because we already, the student might have already met a lot of faculty from Ashoka, and they might give a feedback of the student. So those factors also add up, but predominantly what we look at is the current application, the essays, and the aptitude.